Hi, good morning. This is just a tutorial on how to install the ABC 123 Trader Investors Pack. And so if you haven't received or if you don't know where to get the Investors Pack, what you have to do on the Discord, just give me 1 second here. On the Discord, on the very, very top, there's a thing called Investors Pack Trial. We have different channels, but on the very top, you go to the Investors Pack Trial, and you can download it. Once it gets downloaded, you'll see Investors Pack Trial there. Okay, I got 7 versions because I keep on updating. Okay, now when you do that, all you have to do is just go to Tools, Import, Ninjatrader add-on, and then you just click on the file and hit open. And then you just hit OK, and away you go. And then it'll say success or whatever. Turn off Ninjatrader, turn it back on, and everything should be good to go. Okay, I'll just going to upload this to the YouTube so you can have some instructions of how to install the ABC Trader Investors Pack. Take care.